artificial intelligence. You hear that phrase, and it sounds kind of big, right? Maybe a little intimidating. But what if I told you that you're already a pro at using it? In the next few minutes, we're going to pull back the curtain on AI and show you just how connected it is to your world. But first, let me ask you a quick question. Just take a guess. How many times do you think you've used AI just today? Whatever number you just guessed, it's probably way higher. See, AI isn't some sci-fi thing coming in the distant future. It's already here, working away in the background of your life every single day. So, here's our game plan. First, we'll look at where AI is already in your life. Then we'll break down what it actually is. We'll talk about the two main types, what we have now versus what you see in the movies. Then we'll check out its expanding universe. And finally, we'll peek into what's next. Let's do it. All right, first up, AI is already here. Let's start with the stuff you already know, because it's time to actually see it in action. I mean, really think about it for a sec. When you ask your phone's assistant for the weather forecast, that's AI. When your favorite streaming service somehow knows exactly what you want to watch next, that's AI. And when your car's navigation app magically finds a way around a huge traffic jam, yep, you guessed it. That's AI working for you. It's not fiction, it's just your daily life. Okay, so it's everywhere. We get that. But what is this stuff really? To get it, we need to define a few core ideas. So let's start with the big picture. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is basically the whole field of science trying to make computers do things that normally take human smarts. You know, things like seeing, solving puzzles, and making decisions. Now, this is where it gets super interesting. Think of artificial intelligence as this huge umbrella, the whole field. Under that umbrella, you've got machine learning. This is where systems learn from data, kind of like how we learn, instead of someone having to code every single rule. And then a really specialized part of that is deep learning, which uses these super complex networks to spot really tricky patterns. So they all fit together, one inside the other. Okay, knowing that helps us clear up one of the biggest misconceptions out there, the difference between the AI we actually have and the AI we imagine from the movies. And this slide lays it out perfectly. So on one side, you've got narrow AI. This is what we have right now. It's a genius at one thing. Think of a program that can beat anyone at chess, but it can't do your laundry. It's super specialized. On the other side is the big dream, artificial general intelligence, or AGI. This is your classic sci-fi robot that can think, reason, and learn just like a person. AGI is the goal, but for now, we're living in the world of narrow AI. So, AGI might still be a dream, but don't underestimate the narrow AI we have today. It is already changing everything. Let's look at some examples way beyond just your phone. Let's start with healthcare. This is a big one. AI is basically giving doctors superpowers. It can analyze medical scans and spot diseases way earlier and with more accuracy than a human ever could on their own. It's a total game changer. Then there's finance. Think of AI as this super fast, eagle-eyed security guard. It's watching millions of transactions every second to catch fraud before it happens, protecting your money. Plus, it helps people make sense of crazy complex market data. And what about transportation? Well, AI is literally in the driver's seat. We all hear about self-driving cars, but it's also working right now to make our traffic lights smarter and our shipping routes more efficient. It's happening today. Even in the world of entertainment, AI is getting in on the fun. It's helping create those mind-blowing special effects in movies, and is even composing brand new music all on its own. So from our health to our playlists, AI is everywhere, and it's reshaping our world. Which brings us to the biggest question of all. What's next? Where is all this heading? You know, the really big shift happening right now is that AI is going from being just a tool we command to becoming a real partner in solving problems. It's getting more collaborative, more intuitive, and it's becoming absolutely essential for tackling some of the biggest challenges we face. And that brings us to our final thought. As this technology keeps evolving, as it grows from a simple tool into a true partner, what's the one big question we all need to start asking? How do we make sure it's being built in a way that helps everyone? That's the conversation we all get to be a part of. Thanks for joining me.